Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Seem, and it's the last month of the year, the most beautiful time of the year, the holidays. Because of that, I wanted to give something back to my subscribers. I recently published my Keto Fit program as well. It's this comprehensive blueprint for starting the ketogenic diet and learning how to exercise on it to achieve any physique goal. It's really this massive collection of the most important principles of nutrition and working out. I've included a 30-day meal plan with exact macronutrients and quantities of what foods to eat, and the 5-week workout routine with all the reps and schemes with periodization. So it really is this comprehensive guide for becoming keto adapted and start burning fat for fuel. I'm gonna give away one copy of it for free, and I'm also going to add in a free coaching session where we go through some of your individual needs and conditions. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, and enter this giveaway that I've left in the description box. So take advantage of it, share it with a friend, because that's gonna give you the most entry points. In the remaining parts of this video, I'm going to include this promotional clip of what the Keto Fit program is and how you can benefit from it. So check it out. They said that fat is bad for your health. They said you need to be eating 6 small meals a day. They said you can't build muscle without carbohydrates. They said you'll never feel amazing on the ketogenic diet. Hey, my name is Sim. I'm the author of the best-selling book Keto Bodybuilding, and I'm here to tell you that they were wrong. When I first started working out in my teens, then I did follow the recommended advice, which was eat a ton of protein, don't eat fat, and consume high amounts of carbohydrates. Yeah, it worked great at the gym, but at other times I didn't feel at my best. I always got hungry and tired in between my meals. You know, this post-lunch dip where you just want to fall asleep. What the hell? I thought exercise and eating was supposed to give you more energy and make you feel reinvigorated. But what really happened was that my body was in this constant repair mode. That's great for building muscle and working out, I'm sure. The problem was that I didn't want to become a professional bodybuilder or an elite level athlete. I had other things to do and I needed my brain to be performing at its peak. This led me on a journey about nutrition, human physiology and biohacking. I tried the ketogenic diet and I immediately loved it. By now I've been doing it for over 3 years and have built up to 18 pounds of lean muscle mass without ever going through those long bulking or cutting periods. You know, the slow and agonizing process of first getting fat to build muscle and then having to starve yourself to get shredded. I've never actually focused on building muscle specifically. It just happened as a natural byproduct of training hard and eating the right keto foods. Over the course of this time, I've never got fat. I never had days of brain fog. I never had sugar cravings. I never had days of binge eating and self-loathing.
Put that cookie down, now!
And I never thought that it would be that amazing. The ketogenic diet has quite literally transformed every area of my life. I started my blog, I wrote my books, some of them which became bestsellers. I started my coaching business and I loved every moment of it. There are a ton of new research showing the health benefits of ketosis as well. It's being successfully used to cure diabetes, to prevent neurodegenerative disease, and to protect yourself against cancer. Ketones are fatty acid molecules that are the brain's preferred fuel source. Muscles can also use ketone bodies for energy, but you need to go through a period of adaptation. It's like a withdrawal symptom period where your body is searching for some more sugar. That is where most people fail. They don't have the knowledge of what to do, nor the discipline to stay consistent with it. However, after you become keto adapted, that's where all the magic happens. You flip the switch of your body's primal state and start burning your own body fat exclusively. That's where you'll truly become a fat burning beast who has energy all day, who can stay mentally sharp, who can go days without food, and who will achieve every fitness goal you desire.
It's time now to turn this mush into muscles.
I wrote Keto Bodybuilding as a practitioner's guide to refuting some of the myths about ketosis and building muscle. However, I didn't include a real workout routine or a meal plan into it. I get people asking me every day, Seem, can you tell me what to do? And I help them out. Now you can also get the Keto Fit program that will tell you exactly how to start the ketogenic diet, what to eat in what amounts and at what time. Also, how to exercise during the adaptation phase and how to later adjust it according to your fitness goals. I've written a 5-week training regimen that goes through exactly what type of exercises to do and what keto macros to eat on those specific days. On top of that, I have 50 plus recipes for breakfast, snacks, dinner and desserts with exact ingredients and quantities. There's really nothing that could go wrong as long as you stick to it and stay consistent. As a bonus, I'm sharing with you some of my exercise and supplement hacks that will help you to stay focused and energized for the entire day while still burning a ton of fat while you're at it. Yeah! You're going to get a manual, a blueprint for achieving your fitness goals, for staying healthy and lean for the rest of your life. It's gonna improve your performance everywhere, at the gym, at work, in your relationships, and in everything else you do. If for some reason you fail, which I highly doubt will happen, then you can also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose, but so much to gain. Keto Fit is the program for someone who wants to look, feel, and perform at their peak. You don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. That's the beginning point of any rise to greatness, and you can literally transform your life starting today. Instead of having to go through the grueling process of failing, you can learn from my mistakes. I hope that you do take your health seriously and you're willing to become keto fit. So get the Keto Fit program, including all those bonuses that I just mentioned, refund guaranteed. Thanks for watching, my name is Seem. I'll see you on the other side.